We know there's a ton of anticipation around the 2020 Jeep Gladiator from customers. Even more excited than they are is us here at Mopar. We know that people love to customize trucks, people love to customize their Jeeps, especially Wranglers, and so this Jeep Gladiator is really a combination of both worlds. Something really unique about the Jeep Gladiator in the midsize pickup truck segment is its off-road capability. So we started here with the Rubicon vehicle, which is actually capable of completing the Rubicon Trail. We've been working really hard to bring over 200 parts to market. We have a Jeep Performance Parts 2-inch lift, partnered with Fox shocks, also do 35-inch tires. And on the front end of the vehicle, we have both our 5-inch and our 7-inch LED lights. And then also from a performance perspective, of course being Mopar, we have a Jeep Performance Parts cold air intake, and we also have a catback exhaust. So both help to provide a little more horsepower and also a unique exhaust note. The 2020 Jeep Gladiator is really the only pickup truck in segment which is going to have this open air feel. So we have a couple of components on this vehicle that help highlight that feature. One of which, pretty obvious, is the 2-inch steel tube doors. We also have our windshield tie-down straps. So what those really help do is secure the windshield in the down position, which is really ideal when you're on the trail. On the rear of the vehicle, you can see a couple of our marquee products. One is the system that we've developed in partnership with Decked, which is a sliding storage system. It's lockable, it's weatherproof, it's got a lot of load capacity, 2,000 pounds, 200 pounds in the drawers. We have a cross rail system on which you can mount a number of carriers. So on this vehicle here, you can see a couple of our bike racks. We know there's been a lot of anticipation for this vehicle, and we know people are going to be really anxious to start personalizing their vehicles as soon as they can. So we've been working tirelessly with the production team since the inception of this concept to make sure that we have what customers want, what customers need right at launch. So we can't wait to see what reaction this vehicle is going to get, and we can't wait to see what customers are going to do.